How's it going? This is an Erpnext versus Zoho CRM comparison video. Now, when it comes to integration with ERP, Erpnext has more integration compared to Zoho CRM. Customization for ERP is unlimited, and for Zoho it is limited, and it is for beginner friendly Zoho, but Erpnext has a learning curve. Third party integrations, it is limited on ERP, but you get a lot of integrations when it comes to Zoho. For market automation, for Erpnext you get basic CRM, and for Zoho you get advanced automation tools. Scalability, both of them are highly scalable, but Zoho CRM does lack some full ERP capabilities. Pricing is, I would say, flexible, but depends on which one you can afford because they do go higher. And who are they best for? So if you need full ERP and CRM integration, then Erpnext CRM is the way to go. But if you're a smaller business focusing on only CRM and marketing, then Zoho CRM is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.